we do the pork. It's an ingredient for the pork. It's called หมูปิ้ง
So this is my family visiting from Thailand. This is Na, my sister, and this is Guy, also sister. The two of them. This is the older. This is the younger sister. Okay. And thank you for coming to document. I also got a little niece who's upstairs that should be coming down to the room. By the way, we're making a lot of food. So they're cooking. So there's going to be different dishes. We have the shrimp and glass noodle. We'll have also the Asian water lily stir fry. We have some tofu dishes. So the visit is just all about eating. So they've been here a couple of days. They'll head home tomorrow evening. So what's this making? She's making the steamed glass noodle steam, and this is the fried tofu. She'll also do some different stir fries. Did you have a chance to take a look at the glass noodle? This is the glass noodle. This will be in on That look good?
Yeah.
My daughter. Okay, she's the host. She's the host of this show, okay? That's Minnie.
Good morning.
This is my niece. Okay. This is my niece. This is Minnie. She'll be the host for the day. Okay?
What are we doing for the day?
We'll figure that out.
Okay.
Morning glory. Fried.
Steamed glass noodle with shrimp.
Oh gosh, this is hard. So this is pork with tofu, the best out of all this, my favorite. This is glass noodles with shrimp, and it's steamed. And this is egg, but I don't know what's inside there.
It's scrambled eggs, but it has the what is it? It has the
And it was like fermented.
fermented
Some root radish.
radish, yeah.
Fermented radish in there. And this is it's called Morning Glory. All in glory. It's all glory. And it's sauteed.
Mmm. So you gotta have it with us.
Yes, you now have to try. You can't find it anywhere else
right.
but here.
You know what she said? She said a really, you know, what she just said is really true because you cannot find this anywhere. Not in a Thai restaurant. Only Thai have it.
So in Thai, these menu are กุ้งอบวุ้นเส้น and this is called เต้าหู้ผัดใส่หมูค่ะผัดเต้าหู้หมูแล้วก็ and ผัดผักบุ้ง
ไฟเม็ดไฟแดงหรือไฟไม่แดง
ไฟฟ้า
ไฟไม่แดงไฟฟ้า
ไฟฟ้า แล้วก็อันนี้เรียกว่าอะไร
ไข่เชฟโป๊ะ
ไข่ชาโค This is more Chinese influenced cuisine. Thai,
Yep.
Chinese.
All of this is more Chinese. Thai Chinese.
Yes.
Love
But
it.
if you don't know, there's a lot.
I'm
of
gonna dig in and
Chinese.
try this.
You need to get